Now, I will show you the operation experience of this U-VA2023 wheel aligner. Park the vehicle on a flat ground. Check and confirm that the inflation pressure of the 4 tires is within the normal range. Remove heavy objects from the vehicle. Ensure that the vehicle's suspension system is in normal working condition. There is no obvious damage or abnormality. Drive the vehicle straight to the platform of the lift. Stop the front wheels at the center point of the turntable.
Ensure that the turning plate latch is always in the inserted state.
Put triangular pads and wedge the rear wheels tightly. Shift the vehicle to neutral gear. Rise the lift. Take out the target of the 4-wheel aligner, according to the prompt stickers on the front, back, left and right. Install the target vertically on the 4 wheels. Click to enter the 4-wheel alignment system. Check the position. Lift the vehicle until the targets are fully displayed on the screen. Move to next step. Find the matching vehicle model. Move to next step. Move to next step. Straighten the steering wheel and lock it. Continue and move to next step. Push the vehicle backward according to the prompts. And then, push the vehicle forward. Check the parameters of wheelbase and wheel width. Enter the kingpin measurement. Remove the steering wheel fixer. Firmly hold the foot brake. Pull out the bolt. Move to next step. According to the prompts, turn the steering wheel to the left and right respectively. Move to next step. According to the data prompt parameters, adjust the camber of the rear wheels, then move to next step, according to the data prompt parameters. Adjust the toe-in and camber of the front wheels. Move to next step, input and save user information and be able to print out measurement data. This is the practical operation of the Unite U-VA2023 wheel aligner. If you are interested in our other products, you can leave a message in the comment area or send me a private message. Please follow Unite.